Welcome to the channel. I am King Unsure. I'm your host. I am Mr. Alkebu-Lan. I want to show you guys what we have here on King Unsure, but most importantly, CYBE Cyber Connect. We bring the sauce in many ways to gaming.
Can you hear me? Dirty mother. I can't! Why?
To entertainment.
You better read it too. Y'all better review this. I don't give a fuck no more. I earn no money from this shit. It's been great, Twitch. It's been great. If they get me off this,
to basketball. To computer science.
Popped up clean. So this is how it looks. I have the full English version. There's a big modifier.
Let me just put this inside my downloads, and then we'll run this last spectralism. Let's go to my folder over here, which is the cable that you downloaded. Unpack this cable. Make sure to line you're testing what your audio is. Test it out, playbacks, and listen to your voice as you go. This is where you're muddy, you know. This is where, like, if you have too much, it's gonna be muddy. We bring everything across the zeros and ones through video, through audio, through photos, through articles, through blogs, through websites, through entertainment and partnerships and whatever. We bring it all the way up and all the way down. We bring the real before the feel. We bring the knowledge behind the equations. We have the knowledge of every single part you may have, and if we don't, share the channel anyway, man. We are growing. We're going beyond the numbers. We're going to a point of helping people directly and indirectly on CYBE Cyber Connect. We are the way and the light. I appreciate you guys coming here. Hit that sub button. It's going to be the same kind of thing coming along as Cyber Connect, CYBE, and all other ideas, even having products and services and products, service products. It don't matter, where you bring the assignments, we bring the knowledge to you, the go-to, from the classroom to the workforce to your entrepreneurship to every single part you may have in your mind. We bring it to you guys. We are the service, we are the product, we are the one, the way, the only. We are the resource for you guys, for you things, whatever you want to identify as. It don't matter. This world is crazy, but we bring our uniqueness to every single part of the world, of the universes, the other verses, the dimensions, everything. Thank you for coming to the channel. Give it a chance, and thank you so much, and I appreciate you.